Good morning, it's Wednesday the 10th of August and this is your daily outlook. US dollar trading yesterday saw panic before relief flooded in after the FOMC statement declared interest rates would be held low for at least 2 years. The defined time period helped create investor confidence and the Dow Jones rallied 600 points from previous lows. The dollar and in particular the dollar Swiss reacted sharply, falling to all-time lows at 0.71 before stabilising. The euro surged against the greenback after the FOMC statement prompted a large stock rally. Resistance at 144 stopped the rally and the market consolidated at highs. The next move will be related to whether stocks can maintain gains and this effect that it has on the euro Swiss and euro yen. Yields on Italian and Spanish long-term debt fell again yesterday, which is positive for stabilising the euro debt crisis. The Japanese yen was sold aggressively on the crosses and was even sold against the dollar after the equity gains overwhelmed the dollar yen selling. Aussie yen soared from 77 to 80 and the euro yen reclaimed the key 110 level. Traders have been selling the crosses on rallies and today's price action will be critical to see if the downtrend is over. The sterling pound underperformed the rest of the FX market on the back of continued rioting in London, which is sidelining traders who would traditionally have supported the UK currency in such a large equity rally. The Australian dollar tracked the intraday volatility, falling through parity for the first time since April before reversing sharply with US stocks to finish just under 104. The large moves are creating the best conditions for momentum day trading seen this year. Aussie yen closed at the key 80 level. Looking at commodities, we saw gold had very large swings, rising to $1,782.50, printing a fresh all-time high before reversing again for a final time into the US close at $1,747.40. Crude oil slumped in Asia to $77 a barrel but reversed with positive change of sentiment throughout the day and closed at $82 a barrel. Let's take a look at the currencies you should watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 142.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 142.85. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.30. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.50. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 162.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 162.35, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.99 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.99. Let's have a look now at commodities. We have the oil pivot point at 83.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 83.30. The gold pivot point is at 1719 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1719, and the silver pivot point is at 37 with a preference to enter into long positions at 37. The market movers on the calendar today are the Bank of England Governor's speech, followed by the Bank of England quarterly inflation report, and then we have the US crude oil inventories. Now on to equity markets. US equities were up yesterday with the SP 500 up by 3.98%. The Dow was also up by 4.74%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE up 1.89%, the DAX was down 0.10% and the CAC was up 1.63%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.05% and the Hang Seng was up 2.95%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.